Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Valorant keep crashing and freezing. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Valorant keeps crashing and freezing, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open Task Manager. For that, you can see here Start menu. Just right click on that. You can see here Task Manager. Let's click on the Task Manager. You can see here under Process tab, you need to find Windows Explorer. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here Windows Explorer. Just right click and click on Restart. And close this Task Manager window and check whether the problem is fixed or not. If not, then try the second method. Open the command prompt window. Just click on the start menu, then type here cmd. Right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Here you need to type some of the commands what I will provide in my video description link. Just copy paste from there. First command is ipconfig / release and hit enter. After that you need to type the second command. The second command is ipconfig / flushdns. ipconfig / flushdns and hit enter. And type the third command ipconfig / renew. Hit enter. After that type the fourth command netsh winsock reset and hit enter. And type the final command netsh int ip reset and hit enter. After doing this, close this window, and once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Valorant keep crashing and freezing on your laptop or PC. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.